Hello everyone, welcome to mathematics class, standard 6, chapter 12. In the previous video lectures, we discussed about what is variable, what are constant, what is algebra, what are the different types of uh, polynomials. Today we discuss about polynomials in one variable. In this chapter, in today's video lecture, we discuss about polynomial in one variable, an algebraic expression of the form a plus bx plus cx square plus dx cube plus so on, where a, b, c, d, etc. are constant and x is a variable, is called a polynomial in X. It means that the variable there is only one variable, which is x, and the highest power of x is called the degree of the polynomial. Let us consider no term in a polynomial is of the form 1 by x, 1 by x square, 1 by x cube. Remember, 5 plus x is a polynomial in x of degree 1. Here x is the variable and the highest power of x is 1. So the degree of the polynomial 5 plus x is 1. 2 plus 3x plus 8x square. It is a polynomial of x of degree 2. Here the highest power of x is 2, so its degree is 2. And the in this term, in the expression 2 plus 3x plus 8x square, the variable is x, so it is a polynomial in one variable of degree 2. Now polynomial in two variables or more variables. An algebraic expression in two or more variables is called a polynomial if every variable in it has only positive integral power. No term for polynomial is of the form 1 by x, 1 by x square, y by x, etc. Degree of a polynomial in two or more variable. In case of a polynomial in more than one variable, the sum of the power of the variables in each term is taken, and the highest sum is the degree of the polynomial. Consider the polynomial xy plus yz plus zx plus 3xyz. The degree of the first term, that is xy, power of x is 1, power of y is also 1, so 1 plus 1. In the second term yz, degree of y is 1, degree of z is also 1, so 1 plus 1, that is 2. Zx, degree of, so power of z is 1, power of x is 1, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. In the fourth term, degree of x is 1, degree of y is also 1, degree of z is 1, so the sum is 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. So the degree of the polynomial is 3. Consider the polynomial x cube y square plus 2x square y plus xy square minus 5xy plus 6. Here the degree of its terms, degree of each term, the first term is the power of x is 3 plus power of y is 2, so 3 plus 2 5. And the second term, power of x is 2 and power of y is 1, so 2 plus 1, that is 3x. Power of x is 1, power of y is 2, so 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, that is 3. In 5xy, power of x is 1, y is also 1, so 1 plus 1 2 plus 6. In 6, the power of x is 0, so here 5 3 3 2 0, highest power is 5, so degree of the given polynomial is 5. So this is all about, and exercise 12c is based upon the polynomial in one variable and polynomial in two or more variables. Substitution in polynomials. In a given expression, the process of replacing each variable by giving its value is called substitution. For example, if a is equal to 5, b is equal to 3, find the value of a plus 2b. Now substituting a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3, we get a plus 2b. That is, value of a is 5, so 5 plus 2b means 2 into value of b is 3. So 5 plus 2 into 3 is 6, 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 2a plus 3b is equal to 2 into value of a is 5 plus 3 into value of b is 3, so 3 into 3, so 2 into 5 10 plus 3 into 3 9, 10 plus 9 19. If x is equal to 3, find the value of 2x square minus 4x plus 5. Substituting x is equal to 3 in the given expression, we get 2x square minus 4x plus 5. The value of x is 3, so 2 into 3 to the power 2 minus 4 into 3 plus 5. So 2 into 9 minus 4 into 3 plus 5, 18 minus 12 plus 5 is equal to 11. So exercise 12D is based upon the substitution in polynomial. Now addition of algebra. For adding algebraic expression, we add the like terms only. We know that 3 pens plus 5 pens, 3 pens plus 2 pens is equal to 5 pens. We cannot add 3 pens plus 4 pencil because pen and pencil are unlike. Pen and pen are like. Similarly, 3x plus 2x. Now take the sum of their numerical coefficient, that is 3 plus 2 into x. 3 plus 2 5x. We know that 3 pens plus 2 pencil don't form. Yes, that is. Similarly, the sum of 3x and 4y is 3x plus 4y. Suppose 3x is the pen and y is the pencil. In the same manner, the sum of minus 5a plus 3b is minus 5a plus 3b, because these 5a minus 5a and 3b are not like terms. They are unlike terms because their literal are different, their variable are different. In 5a, a is the variable, and in 3b, b is the variable. Since their variable are not like, these are not like terms. A rule for adding like terms: the sum of some like terms is a like term whose numerical coefficient is the sum of the numerical coefficient of the given like terms. 6x and 8x, we have 6x plus 8x is equal to, now add the numerical coefficient, 6 plus 8 into x, that is 14x. 9x plus 7x plus minus 5x. 9 plus 7x, 9x plus 7x minus 5x. Now add the numerical coefficient, that is 9 plus 7 plus minus 5 within the square bracket into x is equal to 9 plus 7, 16, 16 minus 5, 11 into x, 11x. Add 5ab square minus 2ab square, 6ab square minus 10ab square, ab square. Now required sum is, now first take the sum of their numerical coefficient, that is 5 plus minus 2 plus 16 minus 10 plus 1 within the square bracket into ab square. So 5 plus 16, 21 plus 1, 22 minus 12, which is equal to 10ab square. Column method for adding algebraic expressions. Each expression is written in a separate row that their like terms are arranged one below the other in a column. Then the terms are added column wise. 2a plus 3b minus 4c and 4a minus 5b plus 6c. Adding column wise, we get 2a plus 3b minus 4c. Now arrange the like terms one below another. So we write 4a below 2a plus minus 5b below 3b plus 6c below minus 4c, because c, these are the like terms, so like terms are written one below another. Now we add 2a plus 4a, 2 plus 4, 6a minus 3 minus 5, that is minus 2b, plus minus 4 plus 6, that is plus 2c. Hence the required sum is 6a minus 2b plus 2c. This is the procedure of adding column in column method. So exercise 12E deals with addition of algebraic expression. Now subtraction of algebraic expression. We know that 7 apples minus 4 apples is equal to 3 apples. But we cannot subtract 7 apple minus 2 oranges. because apple and oranges are different fruits. They are not identical. So similarly, 7x minus 4x is equal to 7 minus 4x, that is 3x. So additive inverse of monomial is the like monomial with sign changed. Additive inverse of 3x is minus 3x. Additive inverse of minus 3x is 3x. So we write minus into minus 3x is equal to 3x. Subtraction of like terms. Subtraction of like terms can be performed in any manner. Exactly similar to that is used in subtraction of integers. For any two integers a and b, we have a minus b is equal to a plus additive inverse of b. Change the sign of terms to be subtracted and then add. This is the important rule. Remember this rule. Change the sign of term to be subtracted and then add. The following example 1. Subtract 6a from 11a. That is, it means 11a minus 6a. So 11 minus 6 within the bracket into a, 11 minus 6, 5 into a, 5a. 7a, question is minus 4a from 7a. Subtract minus 4a from 7a. So 7a minus minus 4a. That is 7a minus into minus plus 4a. Now sum of 7 and 4 is 11. That is 11a. Column method. In column method, 11a plus 6a. Now change the sign of the number which is to be subtracted. 6a is to be subtracted, so we change the plus sign of 6a to minus sign. So now it becomes minus 6a. So 6a minus 6, 11a minus 6a is equal to plus 5a. Column method for subtracting of algebraic expression. Subtract 3p minus 8q plus 5r. First we arrange the like terms column wise. Change the sign of each term to be subtracted and then add. Okay, you see 7p plus 5q minus 3i. Now we write the like term one below another. So we write 3p below 7p and minus 8q below plus 5p and plus 5r below minus 3r. Now the sign of the terms to be subtracted should be changed. So plus 3p becomes minus 3p, minus 8q becomes plus 8q, plus 5r becomes minus 5r. Now 7p minus 3p, 4p, 5q plus 8q plus 13q, minus 3r minus 5r, that is minus 8r. So these are the way of subtracting algebraic expression in column method. Example 5. Subtract 2x plus 3y minus 6 from the sum of 5x minus y minus 2z and 2y minus 6x minus 3z. Okay, 5x minus y minus 2z. Now we have to take the sum 5x minus 2y minus 2z and 2y minus 6x minus 3z. We have to write the like terms one below another. So below 5x we write minus 6x, below minus y we write plus 2y, below minus 2z we write minus 3z. Remember, this is very important. You write the like terms one below another. Now subtract. Now add 5 minus 6, that is minus 6, minus 1 plus 2 plus 1y, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5z. So minus x plus y minus 5z plus 2x plus 3y minus 6z. This is to be subtracted. Now change the term which to be subtracted. Plus becomes minus. This plus 2x becomes minus 2x, plus 3y becomes minus 3y, minus 6z becomes plus 6z. So minus x minus 2x, that is minus 3x, y minus 3y minus 2y minus 5 plus 6, that is plus z. In this method we subtract and add the algebraic expression column wise in column method. So this is all about exercise 12F, which deals with the addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Okay, thank you for watching my video.